Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I'm a UI UX designer with having a 4 years of experience. Today I'm going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course linked in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. I can add the link in the description, you can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a Master in Figma Beginner to Expert UI UX Design course by GUVI, and the course fees is 1500 approx. And these are having 4 modules with certification, and 4.42 ratings are there. And these are the key features. 70s refund policy is also there. Doesn't matter. These are the beginner module, intermediate module, advanced module, expert module. So in a beginner module, Figma, pricing, toolbar, tools, and about the detailing about the tools. And next module is about pen pencil tools, mainly about the tools detailing. And third modules is about prototyping, and expert modules are project plugins components. Basically it's a overall a Figma course, not a proper UI with course. It's just about the tool guidance course. Like if you want to learn Figma, so you can go with this course, but it's not a proper UI UX course. Like they are not going to teach about user research, fundamentals, overall the design quality, how to do a design quality in terms of UI perspective, but they are going to teach only Figma on expert basis. So it's not a UI UX course, it's a Figma basis course. If we go down, this is the detail about the course, and these are the testimonials by choosers, etc. Overall, it's not a UI UX course, it's a Figma basis course, so it doesn't justify these parameters. So if we go with the structures, it's 0.5, fundamental is 0.5, UI design quality is there, so it's a 1. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software training is again 0 for me. Mentorship and feedback is again 0. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 1. Placement and career support is there, and course release fees is 0. Industry balance update is already 0 because it's not a UI UX course. So it's a 3 out of 10, and it's a non-recommendable course because if you want to pursue as a UI UX, then you can definitely able to do a Figma in that course only. That why you need to join as a separate Figma course. So I will not recommend this course. There are many better courses in the market which provide the UI UX courses about the structure fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers user research, fundamentals, overall the design quality, and also guide you about the tools and software trainings, and also help in mentorship and feedback, placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.